Let's brush. Stand up, please. 2-minute timer. I know. It's not fun, and this is not easy. Okay, let's get right here. Twice a day, every day, for 2 minutes. Chase. Please put hands down now. Chase. Shush. Sorry. You have to bring the lips, teeth closer together. Because the child is mouth wide open, can't get to the back. Or even to the front. Close a little. Every day. Twice a day. For 2 minutes. Okay, spit. Come on. Come back. Yes, yes. Close a little. Close a little. Chase, stop yelling. Now. I asked you nicely. Bring your mouth together. Bring your mouth together. Okay, good job. And we're done brushing. Now we floss. Hold arms length. Now come on. It's always best to do it behind the child. That way you can see everything. This point of the mouth is when I always switch over. Please stay still. Sorry, open. All right. Okay, done. Another day.